Hello everyone, it's John here from Reality Bites, and today we're going to be talking about the Managed Email Protection Filter, the spam filter, virus protection filter. So first of all, I'm just going to show you our system tray icon if you're not familiar with it. It's down here in the bottom right hand corner in what's called your system tray area, and you'll see our logo icon here. If you click on it, it's going to give you a menu of all the different services that we offer and some quick links to things. One thing I'll point out that isn't related to the spam filter, but it's really handy, is the abort auto shutdown feature that we've incorporated in here. So you can click that link, and often in Windows 10 especially, you'll find that Windows wants to reboot at a very inopportune time. So this allows you to quickly abort that. But anyhow, back to the spam filter protection. So in the menu here, one of the options now you'll see is the Managed Email Spam Filter. So that's a quick link to get you to this portal that you're looking at. You can also type it in directly by going to spamfilter.rbihosting.com, or you can get to it as a link from our main website at realitybites.ca or realitybitesinc.com. And under the Managed Email page, there's a link directly to the spam filter portal as well. So lots of different ways to get here, and once you're here, you're going to need your username and password. Now these will be supplied by our team to your staff. So if you have it, just enter it, great. If you've forgotten your password to get in, you can put your email address in and click Retrieve Login Link, and that's going to send a email message to you directly with the ability to reset the password. We'll go ahead and sign in. So you've got the main dashboard screen here on the main pane, or on the left-hand side, you've got quick links to all the different areas as well. So starting at the top, we've got 3 different services that we provide: incoming spam filter protection, so any incoming mail, outgoing protection, and archiving. So if you subscribe to 1 or 2 or all 3 services, then you have access to everything from this one portal. So the incoming filter, you've got a log search, which allows you to look a number of different ways for messages. You can set a date range, you can put in a message ID, you can put in a subject line or who the sender was, a number of different things, the recipient address, all kinds of things in here. Then click Start Search, and that's going to give you a listing of all the messages that fit that criteria. So that's a good way to verify that a message came in, maybe got caught by the spam filter. Shouldn't happen very often at all, but if it does, it's a quick way to find it. Another option here is the spam quarantine. This is going to show you any messages that were in fact caught as spam, and you can sort through this list. You can again do a quick search, just put in some search criteria here and hit the search button, and it'll look through. We hold the spam archive, the spam quarantine, for quite a long period of time, so you're able to get in here and release stuff if it is caught. Next is the incoming delivery queue. Now this is really only handy if, say, something's happened with your email server, it's down at the moment. We will queue and hold all your email messages in our delivery queue until your mail server is back up and operational. So that delivery queue, you can look at it here, click this button, it's going to show you any messages that are being held in the queue. So generally this is empty unless there's something going on with your mail server. Then we've got the ability to report a message as spam or report it as not spam, and this helps teach our spam filter service to get even more efficient. We do find that our new spam filtering service, we've partnered up with Spam Experts, who's essentially the world leader in spam filtering, and they do have like a less than 0.01% spam ratio, incorrect ratio. So you should find that it's very, very seldom that things are being caught or tagged incorrectly. Okay, so back to the dashboard here, we've got the outgoing log search. So this allows you to see any outbound email messages to ensure that they were delivered. If someone for some reason didn't get your email, you can verify that it was sent through this log search. Works very much the same way as the incoming log search, just the opposite directions. This is outbound email. And then we've got the archive. So if you subscribe to the archive service, it allows you to store and keep all email records, both incoming and outgoing, for full legal compliance, or just to ensure that you've got an extra backup of email messages in case something happens to your on-site email server. Over here, we've got the protection report. This is just a report that you can run either manually or schedule to run automatically, which gives you just an email breakdown of all the spam messages that are caught and a quick way to release them to your inbox. We've got the sender whitelist and recipient whitelist and sender blacklist. So if you do have a specific email address you want to either whitelist or blacklist, you can add them here. Whitelist meaning that the message is allowed to go through, and the sender blacklist is blocked. And last but not least, we've got the compose email feature. That is essentially like a webmail style email composition window, and it just allows you to send out a message in the event that your mail server's down or you're on the road and you just need to send a quick email message. You can do that from here, and the recipient it'll look like it just came from your regular email client, so it's branded as your email message, and this is handy if your mail server's down or you're just unable to access your standard way of sending email. So that's pretty much it for the entire portal. It's quite intuitive and easy to use. And if you do have any questions, just give us a call here at Reality Bites, and we'd be happy to walk you through any of these features or answer any questions you may have. To log out, you go up here to the top right-hand corner, click the log out button, and that is it. Thank you very much.